Before I show them, Josh, how cool is it?
That's a good view. That's a good view.
You ready, guys?
Been on the road so long, we got our own damn song. The Josh and Sean show is on.
Josh.
Good morning, everybody. It is 10:30.
10:31. Oh,
10:31. Today's the day we get to pick up our girl.
We're like legit 1,000 feet away, basically.
1,000 feet.
Maybe more.
Maybe more.
Maybe like a mile. But the RV's right up here, and I'm very excited. It's cool. I can see myself in the rearview mirror.
Yeah, it's a good shot.
I mean, I don't know about a good shot, but it's all right.
I like that. Oh.
We're driving.
I'm showing my phone, dude.
I'm not.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bring her out.
Oh, yeah.
There she is. How you been, girl?
Ooh. You filming, Josh?
I am. I'm right here.
Get up here. Get up here.
Come on.
Yeah. Ah, man. Man, I missed this girl so much.
It's already a good day. Already a good day. I hope you're having a good day. Back in Lindy! Woo! She is dirty though, we gotta clean it.
Give her a nice manicure, spa day thing.
Ooh.
She's dirty.
She's dirty.
Dirty. Oh, baby. Come on. Come on. Bring it. Come on. Yeah, baby. We're coming right along next to it too. Yeah. We're heading to Nature Center today.
Nature.
IAMS Nature Center in Knoxville. Woo! It's like the where? Right there? Dang it. Hey Josh, you excited for the IAMS?
It's the I am.
I don't think it's I don't think it's I am nature.
I am nature.
Got my coffee. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Oh, you're good, dude. You're good.
Okay.
You're basically the star of the show, Tim.
Now it's just the Tim show.
Yeah, everybody just wants to see you.
They got a bench right there.
I thought we were gonna do all that cool stuff, right?
Oh, that's the Canopy Adventure stuff. Tickets available for purchase. Are you mad, Josh?
No. Let's roll.
So we're going. Navi.
Earlier. This one goes way up. It's a tower trail. Where's it going, man? Longboard, dude. It'll be a decent one. Sorry, where that looks like too. There's one. There's a critter. Get a critter. Yeah.
No filters. Nothing like that. Just pure, unadulterated nature. It's beautiful.
That would have been a little comedy on your deal.
Nature.
There should be a river going through there, doesn't it? This is almost shaky. I can start one real quick.
Josh, stop.
What?
Let's start a river real quick.
Oh wow, that does feel.
Yes,
It
stop.
could.
It's already wobbly.
Look what I found. Ooh. Bench and everything. Hey, Sean! Where are you? I'm at like an overlook for the river right here. A bench. Ooh, it goes even higher. I'm tired. I'm trying to find. Man.
It's probably got a better view up there, I'm sure.
Hey, take some video. Wow.
That's a good place to burn it.
I'll be back 1 second, Dad. Ready for your challenge, Josh?
Out of breath.
Bring it on!
This is no balls challenge of the day.
You know how tired I wasn't, I just yawned.
Ready? It goes all the way across.
Damn.
It goes all the way across.
To what?
The other side.
Ooh, there's a lot of, I don't know. Oh my goodness.
Come on, dude. Come on, you know I'm too big for it.
I don't think you'd do it in the first place.
If I wasn't too big, I'd do it.
Goodness.
You got it. How cool is that gonna be? Yeah, buddy.
Get a phone. Give it to me, you have water underneath you. Anything else you want to get rid of? Come on, man. Yeah, buddy. Come back. He made it over. Now hope he makes it back. I got a phone in case he falls, so. Come on, man. Hey, don't hurt yourself. Don't fall when you get cocky.
Hey, look at you, man. Ooh. Hey, give me some. Look at you. What do you got to say to the people, Josh?
I have no balls.
Wait.
That was a no balls challenge, right?
Oh, that's right.
You got it. You got it.
You ready? You ready? You ready?
Oh, I hope you fall.
Boop. Monster.
This is just a pond. Yeah, you're just running on the pond.
The water looks hairy. There's so many pine needles in it.
Cuts off right there.
Does it stop?
There's a hiking trail going all the way up that way.
Yeah.
But it's blocked off.
Oh, is it?
Okay, go ahead.
Right there. Is that perfect?
Oh shit!
Oh, slow-mo. Whoa, yeah. Perfect? Woo, yeah. This place is beautiful, dude. Can we just dedicate this whole trip to nature trails now, Josh? Watch step.
Live all in nature.
You look at that tree up there, Josh, crossing the path. Ooh. Taking a break at the home site picnic area. Josh, you can jump in those things again.
I'm gonna need a break.
Okay. Take it 5 minutes. Used to be an old house here, I guess. Home site picnic area.
Is that
Old train bridge.
a wooden structure? No, I can't imagine. Yeah, it is.
That's cool.
It's piece of strong ass wood.
Josh, what are we doing?
Where are we again?
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
Say it again.
Lunchtime.
Perfect.
So where are we at?
We are. It's like
Ice cream and restaurant.
Roundups. I think it's called Restaurant Ice Cream. Roundups Restaurant and Ice Cream. Roundup in Tennessee with Dad. Excited, Josh? You excited?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Good, Josh? Good.
Just can't have good burgers.
Perfect. Fort Dickerson Park. This is pretty. Where should I go? This way?
Probably that way.
So this way.
It's right here. It's right here.
Gates are meant to be crossed.
I think the visitor center was back there.
Was it?
Yeah, we'll find something.
Maybe this is.
Yeah, I might sneak up in that parking spot real fast.
Probably the best.
That open one?
Ooh.
Pretty cool.
That is pretty cool. Oh, you can move it.
Boom! Okay, so we're at the Fort Dickerson Park. And this is Fort Dickerson, what it used to be. This is the whole thing. They got some cannons. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. You can't see the stadium from here. That's cool. But Fort Dickerson, we were right here. You can see that cannon's right there. This is how it used to be. We found an overlook. I don't know what it's overlooking, but I'm excited. Before I show them, Josh, how cool is it?
That's a good view. That's a good view.
You ready, guys? Ba, 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 ba. Damn.
I love the music you added to it.
Ba, 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 ba. That's real nice.
Oh, they do.
Dude,
Yeah, that thing's got. They should have probably made a little bit more revealing.
can't see that there.
That church would be really, really cool to get up on top of, Josh.
Yeah. That's all pretty.
That's cool. I live right there.
Ooh, yeah, that would be sick right there.
Oh yeah, I live there.
Sean found a Harley Davidson shop in Knoxville, so we're gonna go check out Harleys.
Again. Oldham!
Oh, we missed it.
That's Oldham Ave right there.
Damn.
Oldham Ave.
I own that avenue down there.
Okay.
How we doing, folks?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Just coming in here. We can get you a towel if you need. I need it.
It's a rare one here. Yeah.
It's a rare one. It's rare.
Pizza! Pizza! Pizza!
Where are we going again?
We're going to get pizza.
My friend though.
Game Time Pizza.
Game time pizza.
My uncle owns a pizza place called Game Time Pizza. Shout out Uncle Terry, Game Time Pizza. If you're in Knoxville, Tennessee, go to Game Time Pizza. Woo! Game Time. This is our second trip to Game Time Pizza because Josh forgot the debit card. Actually, sorry, I forgot the debit card. It's my fault.
I don't have to even argue anymore. It's just, you guys know the truth, I know the truth. He needs to start holding on the truth.
On the way there, we noticed that we didn't have the cards. We had to turn back and get the card. So here we go.
Hot and tasty.
What does it feel like?
Hot and tasty.
Ooh, open. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Oh my God! Close it. Close it. Close it. Oh shit. We gotta get home. Engage turbo now.
Yo, watch last night's episode, watch tonight's episode, subscribe, like, share, everything. I love you guys.